Well, there's two areas I think policy needs to look at. One is the cost of building a home. If you look at the maths of building an apartment block, and you say, okay, even if we've no land costs and we have no profit, so you cut out those two sets of returns, it's still the case that you'd need to charge a rent of 13 or 1400 euro a month just to break even on a 2-bedroom apartment. Now, there's only a few places in the city that can withstand that kind of rent, so clearly we've got something messed up in the cost base of building homes, apartments or houses, if that's the break-even rent, even with no profit or no land costs. And of course there will have to be some profit and there will have to be some payment for land. So one area is tackling the cost base, and really it needs to get down by maybe 30–40% before we'll be back in line with a sort of healthy level. The other area is social housing. If you ration credit, if you say to people you need this kind of deposit before you can borrow, then you need to make sure there are other systems in place around social housing that make sure that just because you don't earn the right amount, it means you still have access to a home. And in particular, what we need to do is get back to local authorities building or funding the building of homes, like most other European countries, and switch away from rent subsidies, the rent supplement model, to income subsidies, and make sure that the people who need the most help get the most help.